Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial showing you how to use basic mathematics operators in Python. So the first thing we're going to do is just use shell here to add two numbers together, and we'll simply type in the number plus the operator symbol, which is plus, and the number 2 again, and then press return or enter, and you'll see that the Python shell will calculate the answer for us. And you can do this with a number of different operators and values. Okay, notice you don't have to put the equal symbol at the beginning or at the end. You simply type in the two values that you want using the operator. Another thing to take note of here is that anytime you have a division, Python will print the answer using decimal places, and this is known as a float number, and float numbers are printed like that so that we can see the decimal place values if in case they are used. In this case they are not being used, but let's say we did 10 divided by 3, we'd get 3.3 recurring. Now all we've done so far is use the shell, and that really doesn't save your arithmetic code. So what we're going to do is create a new file on the right hand side. Now notice this time that we can't simply type in 2 plus 2 and run the program, because if we tried to do that, it would ask us first of all to save the program. I'm just going to put mine on the desktop. Addition is a good name for this one. And when it runs, absolutely nothing happens. So in order to make this work, we're now going to have to print. And this command allows Python to actually print out the answer onto its shell. So let's just run that one again. And it will always ask us to save it. And there you go. So there's a simple arithmetic additional program. I'd like you to practice with some other functions and other operators and other values. Again, don't forget, every time you run, you must save your program, and you'll see the results coming up on your shell. Hope you've liked that very quick short tutorial on how to do basic arithmetic using idle. Thank you very much.